Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am so excited for today's video, mainly because I literally just filmed the outro of this, so I'm literally looking at the piece that we made and it is so cool. So today we're going to be making a pyramid piece, but I'm going to be making a pyramid piece with black roses. So if you guys are interested to see how the pyramid piece with the black roses comes out, then continue watching. Okay, so I have some black roses here. They're amazing. They are real roses, but they are pre-dried, they are pre-preserved, and they are painted black. So they don't grow like this, but they are real. They're just painted. And since they're pre-preserved and like pre-dried, I don't have to dry them myself, which is so nice. So I am going to be using this mold, and this is from the brand Let's Resin. I got it off of Amazon. And so what it is you get like squishy like silicone pyramid mold, and then you also get this like hard plastic framing for the pyramid so that when you pour resin into this, it doesn't like flop about. So since we're working with flowers, I will be using casting resin, and I'm going to be using the CounterCultureDIY casting resin, and it is the pink and purple label. I'll have it linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So what I want to do is have a few layers that are clear resin right at the top above the rose so that when you look down, you can kind of see it from all the different angles. And then underneath the rose, I was going to do a few different colors. So I did have you guys vote on Instagram which color combo you wanted. And so the black, green, and purple combo won. So those are the colors that we're going to be doing with our black rose. So we're going to go over to my desk and then we're going to get started on mixing up some casting resin, and then we will go from there. Okay, you guys, so we're down to the layer where we're going to be putting the rose in, and I'm so excited. So these are what they look like. This is how they come. They come in a box like this, and they're by the brand Bella Rose. And Apotheca Flowers did help me get these through the floral reserve. So it does come in a pack of 8, and I'm going to take the lid off now. They literally, to me, look like leather roses. They look like leather. I do wish they weren't shiny. I wish they were kind of like a matte black, but they're incredible. They are so cool looking. They're obviously dyed, or actually they're probably painted, so they don't grow like this, but still amazing, still so cool, still literally perfect for Halloween. So I did take this one out earlier, and I've kind of been just pulling the petals out, just kind of like fluffing it up a little bit, because in the box here they are kind of like scrunched and kind of like small in there. I do like the roses to be fluffed up when I work with them. I haven't taken any petals out though. Everything is still in there. I've just kind of fluffed it up a bit, and this is what it looks like. It's literally amazing. It's so freaking pretty. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm sure these are preserved roses and they're already dried. They are real. They're painted, but they are already dried. So I didn't have to dry them myself, which is so nice. So what I'm going to do to get this in resin is I'm going to be mixing up some clear casting resin, and then I'm going to pour a bit into the pyramid, and then I'll probably take a bit of the casting resin and pour it in the very center and a little bit in like the crevices of the petals here, and try to like flood this a bit. And then I'm going to be flipping it and putting it into the pyramid, into the wet casting resin that we just poured into it. That way hopefully I will be able to like work out any like bubbles that might happen, because if you take this just dry like this, no resin on it or anything, and you flip it into the wet resin, you might just be like taking air pockets and like trapping them in there. So that's why I'm going to try to flood it first and pour some resin into like the bigger pockets of air here. So I'm going to mix up some casting resin, pour it into the pyramid first, pour a bit into this, and then we'll put it in and hope that no air pockets will happen. So I'm going to get started on mixing up some resin. Okay guys, welcome back. Wasn't that the best tutorial you've ever seen in your life? I know that it was. So we're gonna pop this thing out now. I can't wait to pop this out. I feel like, I just have a feeling that it's going to be spectacular. Oh, that is so satisfying. I feel like you can't even see how cool it is. I'm obviously going to film some close-up shots like I always do so you guys can actually see it. But this is near perfect in my mind. I do wish that this bottom purple layer was gold. I feel like it would kind of like tie everything together a little bit better, especially since the natural color of this rose seems to be orange. I don't know, like, again, I'll show you guys some close-up clips so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But some of like the black paint that was on the rose came off and revealed like the natural color of the rose. And I think the natural color is orange, which is kind of like Halloween. It's magical. So, okay, I'm going to show you guys some close-up clips so that way when I keep talking about it, you guys will know what I'm talking about. So here are some close-up shots of our pyramid. Okay, so what do you think? Again, the white wispy layer is so pretty. I do wish the purple layer was gold. I think it would tie everything together a little bit better, but the resin is like crystal clear. It's like water. The rose is so cool. I absolutely love that the natural color of this rose is orange. So let me know what you guys think of our pyramid piece, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching all of RESIN-WEEN. I still giggle every time I say it out loud. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and all the RESIN-WEEN videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, she can talk today. She can talk today. What? That's unheard of. So if you guys are interested in seeing if I can, well, if you guys are, why is this fitting in perfectly now? You know what it is it probably like, if you rotate it, then no, it's fitting perfect. That is so frustrating. I tried so hard to get it in perfect, and here it is, fitting perfect, like without any struggle. So what I want to do is have a few different layers that are okay guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, welcome back. Wasn't that the best tutorial you've ever tutorial? Thank you guys so much for watching this video and all the other resin this coffee is probably disgusting. Okay, so for my last Halloween question for you guys, I want to ask, what was your favorite RESIN-WEEN video? Because I think this video with the pyramid is my favorite, but a close second would probably be the skeleton leaves video. And once again, thank you so much for watching to the very last clip of this video. I love you guys so much. You have no idea, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's a hair on my arm.